Okay, it's recording.
Okay. Hello, YouTubers and brothers and sisters around the world. I thought I'd bring a little dilemma that I ran across with my dryer, and it's a Maytag. We bought this in 2008.
Not 2009.
In 2009. Well, it stopped heating, so we went and did a search as to what could be the cause, and we found out, or I found out with my meter. I did an ohmage, and I found out that the thermal fuse went out on it. So I went ahead and replaced them all, which was this one, and these two. I went ahead and replaced them, and here's the numbers for them, which is that thermal fuse. And then this one, which is a thermistor. That's these two. And then this one here is the cutoff. And it comes with two pieces, which are these two. Alright? Now when I went to take it apart and to clean it also, I pulled this front cover off. And come to find out, this thing was just plumb full of lint, dirt, and whatnot. But when I came to put it back together, I'll show you the discrepancy right now. Hold on.
Okay.
So here's the discrepancy. When I put the front cover back on here, look, this piece, when I put this piece back on, it's already flush with the side of the dryer here, okay? There's the screw hole for it right there, which is, you know, ready to screw. But look at this here. Look at the gap between here, the fan, the suction fan, and this thing. Look at this. I have to push on it. Shouldn't have to. What I'm saying is, this fan, the suction fan, is sitting back. It's sitting back by half an inch, 5/8 of an inch, to make a good seal around this whole thing. So tell me about it. Who's not watching what's going on? If I force it, I'll be able to put the screw in there, but it's not going to give me a complete seal. Only this part here is going to have a good seal. As you can see, I have to push against it. See? That's not right. Up here, everything is set right. As you can see, up in here, the screws for it here. And this is for the lint trap, the screen, the suction here. This is crazy. Paying $900 for this piece of equipment, and yet nobody inspected this part? Give me a break. I just thought I'd bring it to your attention that this thing is wrong. This motor has to come sit out a little further for it to create a seal around the whole thing. Hold on a second. Just keep recording, Come on, you crappy thing. As you can see, the seal is around here. See? This sits in there, okay? This sits in there to create a seal. And the seal sits right here. But apparently, all it's been sealing is right around this area here. Where these two screws are, maybe? But it's leaving all this open. So you're losing about 30 or 40% of suction. I just thought I'd bring it to your attention, YouTubers. If you got a Maytag, this kind, an upright, with, oh my goodness, just tear the heck out of it. Because this is absolutely wrong. Losing 30, 40% of your suction on your on your dryer. That's probably why your clothes take so long. Anyway, I just thought I'd present it to you. When I run across little things like this, I'll bring it to y'all's attention. Share the hell out of it, and I appreciate you coming in and watching my videos. Like, follow, share. God bless y'all, and I'll bring some more bad news.